So this guy says that he's not gonna invite his daughter to his wedding because his fiance doesn't like her. Is he the bad guy? Before you answer that, listen to the story. So we all know that planning a wedding can be extremely fun, exciting, stressful, and time-consuming. Most people try and make their wedding days as picture perfect as possible, and some lose sight of the bigger picture. A wedding is supposed to be a full-on celebration of love. Most couples choose to highlight this by putting on lavish ceremonies with amazing food, music, and decor. And obviously, all of that wouldn't mean anything without your closest family and friends. But apparently, that's not enough for this couple. So this guy and his fiance were planning their wedding for a long time and it got pushed back on a delay. Once it was finally time to get the ball rolling to get the wedding planned, the man decided to cater to all of his fiance's wants and needs to make sure that the day was as picture perfect as possible. They both agreed that they wanted their wedding to be a sophisticated occasion that was going to be lavish and expensive. So their first rule was to make sure that the wedding was child-free. Even though this guy already had 2 daughters of his own, he decided that that was a good idea to make the wedding child-free. This obviously created problems when his youngest daughter, who was under 18, told her grandparents that they were not inviting her to the wedding. When the grandparents questioned why he wasn't going to invite his own daughter to the wedding, he snapped back by saying that his fiance is sophisticated and doesn't really like little kids. And for a bit of information, his first daughter is 18 and the one that's in question is 9. He told his parents that he doesn't want his fiance to have to deal with his daughter on the most important day of her life. What a D-bag. His parents told him that he was being a terrible father for prioritizing his fiance over his own child. They said that if she wasn't invited, then they didn't want to go either, and then they asked if they could take her out on a fun day during the wedding. But he had the audacity to refuse to let them do so. It almost just seems like this guy was determined to ruin his relationship with his daughter and his parents. So now the guy is getting on Reddit trying to ask people if he's the bad guy for not inviting his daughter to his wedding. And I'm gonna say not only is he the bad guy for not inviting his daughter to his wedding, but I'm gonna take it one step further and say that he's also a bad father for choosing his fiance over his daughter. Like, how do you choose to marry somebody that doesn't even like your kids? For me, it just feels like this woman is trying to push his daughter out of their lives and he's allowing it. For me, it's obvious that this guy is a 10 out of 10 a-hole and so is his fiance. I feel absolutely terrible for the daughter. And I hope that the grandparents stick by her side because she's clearly gonna need them more than ever now. All I can say is that I hope that he gets it together before he completely destroys his relationship with his daughter. Which honestly, at this point, it might be too late. I mean, you know she will never forget this. So you guys, let me know in the comments, do you think that this guy is the bad guy for not inviting his daughter to the wedding? And if somehow your answer is no, then come fight me in the comments. Also, let me know what you think about my latest resin plate and drop some blue and green emojis to show me some love. All right, Resonators, so stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.